Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're going to talk about how to remove Gmail account from phone. So let's get started. First, after getting the application and to delete your Gmail account, this page will appear. Tap on your profile app here. After that, manage accounts on this device. Then we tap on Google. And as you see here, all of your accounts that you log in on this phone appears. We choose the account that we want to delete. We click on More. Then we choose the second option, or Remove Account. When we choose the second option, this page will appear to let you know that if you remove this account, you will delete all of your message contacts from the phone. So we tap on Remove Account, and like that, your account has been removed successfully. Thanks for watching. See ya!